Nyumwebazyo ba engineer ba UPDF basibere omurukiko n'abebembezi Ntungamo district bari kubashaba ngo babongyere shiringi miliyoni 526 okumalira omurimo ogwo kwombeka izarro ahari Rubaare HC IV bwanyuma y'ezuba abiri babarire okubura kumara.
But in other places where we have constructed such a maternity, it has taken 1.26 billion. So when you see the 400 cent plus this 300, we are now at 700. Percentage wise, we are beyond 50%.
Okurugira kitongore ekya UPDF Engineering Brigade esente ezibabire babarire kushakara no kumaririza izarro ahari Rubaare HC IV bakazikoresa omukwombeka ebindi bishenje okwendangu izarreri rikaza hamusinje ogugumere.
But I'm officially reporting to you that the money for the roofing has been brought down to cater for the external walls and the internal partitions, which was very vital before we would put a beam. So how much have we done that will be established by the engineering or the technical part.
Lieutenant Richard Isingoma agambira abebembezi Ntungamo district ngo bashabe kandi bahandikire na Ministry ya Defense ebikirize babongyere shiringi miliyoni 526 ezo kushakara no kumaririza izarro ahirwarro erya Rubaare HC IV.
Akadirisa, I'm informing you, have been sent to inform Ntungamo district that this money has been received. Now the ball comes back today to Ntungamo district local government to sit down and see what to do with this money. After doing that, the cow knows he will write a letter to the Minister of Defense. Then the Minister of Defense will tell us to price the scope. After pricing, we shall draft a memorandum of understanding. We bring it here. It is signed, such that this work continues.
Mathias ndifuna disi wa Ntungamo nagira ngo baza kuhandikira abicuru kwataho bareba ko baratunje esente ezirikwetengwa.
As regards budgeting, the budget for this project, look at its cost and maybe we ask for the variation. We do accept that.
Dino na variations kawo oreta bakubara babari. Dino tumanye sente za ezirigiro zikakore na nokutura roofing.
Omugandi okorwa muri Ntungamo abebembezi aba district egi batongwizeho umurimo gwo kuhunduza irwarro erya Rwamabondo HC II. Omurimo ogu nuguza kumaraho shiringi miliyoni 38 omusente za Uganda.
Mwat consideringaho ahabwa HC III kugira ngo upgrading HC III ba muteke HC III ngo buri mu cyugwa ba government ya central kugira ngo buri gomborenga bu town council igiye muri HC III
ki atetse ne kintu cyane ejeje kunduze rirwaro ne kintu cyane otakaraba ukareba simiti ninga barumba kora ko kubezere ukajota
umwaka oguntu yaraganisa ngo atagire cyagarukayo neke hazanchigarurwa yebi katize kuzarwa amabondo twigure tugambira abantu ibintu byabo abo kwa system eje yo kwijagambira abantu ikintu cyabo obwebembezi bwito burwo bwa kitandikira.
Abebembezi aba nabwo batongwizeho nibagiro erya Rwamabondo kandi bikiriza abantu okutandika kurukoresa. Gashakwa Elias Rutugusa omuri Ntungamo.